Hello, welcome everybody. APG.STUDIO. How to do table pose, okay, which is on your floor. Sounds easy. What you can do wrong? Yeah, let's find out. To exercise like a pro. As the name, you need to take position on your floor, and what you need to focus right now. Where is your head? That's the first thing. You want to use the muscles in your neck to hold your head and your neck in the spine line. So that's the first thing. To look the space between your hands. Another part is your torso. If you're just dropping everything down, arching lower back is no support whatsoever for your lower back, or you're taking your pelvis slightly under and you're lifting your chest, pulling shoulders down. So that's the position to hold. Make it more challenging, you're trying to stretch your, let's say, left leg without leaning too much to your right side. To show it this way, you need to be aware if you're bringing your left leg back, you're still on the floor. Check if you've got this tendency to lean to your right side, which is the incorrect one, because we want the weight from your leg to go to your left arm, left side, to build the strength in your obliques on your left side. So I'll show you here again. We don't want this position. With your pelvis tilt forward, arch back, head without any support for your neck. But we want to hold this position so it's full muscles control, okay? And check if you're bringing your left leg straight back, you're holding the rest of your body the same. There's no movement side to side. And you can try opposite leg. As your leg straight, engage your glutes as well. We've got reverse table as well, which is sitting with your feet, knees, hips width apart. Avoid holding your knees together, always the same gap between your feet and your knees. Palms facing forward to have the good action with your shoulders. It's going to be stretching your shoulders as well. And as you inhale, you're lifting your hips, squeeze your glutes nice and strong. So maybe you're going to be only here, maybe someone got more strength and flexibility in your legs, shoulders to go even higher, but make sure you're not placing your feet too far or too close to you, because it's going to be really tricky to go higher. Place your feet and check if they're in the line with your ankles. You can ask someone if you've got the right position. Alright, so you're squeezing loose, pressing heels to the floor, and now shoulders. Pull your shoulders down to lift your chest and engage your abdominal muscles. And when you exhale, slowly relax. Inhale, lifting as high as you can, so maybe here only, and exhale down. Inhale and exhale. You're going to feel your wrists in this position, especially for women. I remember I struggled with this pose. Just after 1 or 2 reps, I felt my wrist. So doing some stretching after that, like this. And I'm going to prepare the video to strengthen and stretch your wrist and forearms as well. Okay, I hope you find this video useful. You know how to do tabletop and reverse one. So when you've got your opposite position, if you like it, give me a thumbs up. Any questions, comments, I'm really looking forward to answer all of them. And remember, stay safe, exercise like a pro, and enjoy your yoga and fitness. See you guys next time.